Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the operations on matrices. In my previous video on matrices, we have introduced the matrix, its definition and types of matrix. Today we are going to discuss the operations on matrices. What operation we will discuss? Let us write down. First we will discuss about the addition of matrices or two matrices. Second, we will discuss about multiplication of matrix by a scalar. Here scalar means any constant number or any number also, constant k can be any complex number also. Okay, then we will discuss about the multiplication of matrices. And by the help of addition and multiplication of a matrix by a scalar, we will define subtraction of two matrices. Okay, so let us start to discuss first addition of matrices. Actually, the matrix is a new branch of mathematics. Here we have to define every operation in a different way. So here we will define addition in a different way. So when two matrices can be added, for that there must be a condition. It means that the matrices must be comparable. Before that, I want to write two matrices are comparable if their order is same. So two matrices can be added if they are comparable. Comparable means here of same order, means both matrix must have the same number of column and same number of rows. Then let us define how we add the two matrices. For this, let two matrices A is written as like this, Aij, which is of order m cross n, and another matrix let's B, Pij, which is also of the same order m cross n. Then addition of these two matrices will be defined as A plus B, adding of a corresponding elements, means adding the elements at the same address. So Aij and plus Bij, it will give the matrix of the same order. Let us try to understand this by the help of example. Let A be any matrix 1, 2, 3 of order, this one is 1 cross 3, and B be another matrix. It must be of the same order so that we can add it. So let us 0, minus 1 and 2. Order of this is same. Okay, so what will be the A plus B? A plus B will be the corresponding element. Corresponding element of 1 is this 0, 1 plus 0. The A second element, this 2 will be added to this minus 1, 2 plus of minus 1, and this 3 will be added to this 3 plus of 2, and it will give you the same order matrix, that is 1, 1 and 5. Now let us try to understand this by the help of another example. Okay, a matrix A1 2 3 4 5 6. This one is the order of this matrix is 2 cross 3, and another matrix minus 1 minus 2 4 0 1 3. It must be of the same order so that we can add it. So now a plus b can be written as 1 will be added to this minus 1, 2 will be added to this minus 2, 3 will be added to this 4, 3 plus 4, 4 will be added to 0. They are the corresponding elements, means at the same address. Now 5 plus 1 and 6 plus 3. So this is also 2 cross 3. Now 0 0 7 4 6 and 9. Okay, now let us go to define multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Let k be any number or any complex number. Here it is called scalar. K be a number, may be complex number, or you can take any other constant. So Ka means let A be any matrix, Aij m cross n order. So to multiply this K to the given matrix means we want Ka, then we will get the matrix of this type, means that constant will be multiplied to each and every element. Let us try to understand by the help of example. Suppose A is given 2 3 0 1, then 2a means 2 is multiplied to A, so 2a 2 3 0 1, that means 2 will be multiplied to each and every element of A, that is 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 0 and 2 into 1. This 4 6 0 2. The order of these matrices will be the same. Now in this way we can define the subtraction of two matrices. How? If A is any matrix, Aij of this order m cross n, B is another matrix, Bij of same order, means both are comparable, then we can define A minus B in this way. First we can write it A plus of minus 1 B, and minus 1 will be minus 1 B will be get by the multiplying minus 1 to the this matrix. So let us have an example. Let A equals to 2 3 4 9 and B equals to 1 1 2 0. So what will be A minus B? Okay. To find out A minus B, what will we write? First we will find minus B. Here minus B means minus 1 into B, means we will multiply minus 1 to this matrix 1 1 2 0, and it will give you minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 0. Now to find A minus B, we will write A plus of minus B, and what is here? A is 2 3 4 9 and plus B is what? Minus B is what? This one. So I will write here minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 0. Now in the same way you add it, 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 4 minus 2 and 9 plus 0. Actually we are adding it, so we will get 1 2 2 and 9. Now directly we can do it from here. Minus b equals to a is what? 2, 3, 4, 9 minus is what? 1, 1, 2, 0. So from here you can directly write it. Okay, in this way we have defined the subtraction of two matrices. Let us go to the important section, that is multiplication of two matrices. It is in a different way. So to be defined multiplication of two matrices, there must be some condition. What are those conditions? Let us write multiplication of two matrices. So let us define matrix multiplication of two matrices. For this there must be a condition. What is the condition? The number of the number of columns of first matrix must be same the number of rows of second matrix. Okay, this is the, let us try to understand by the help of example. Before that, let two matrices A defined at Aij and another matrix B defined at Bij. So to find the product of AB, the product of A and B shown as AB. What should be the condition? The number of column of first matrix A must be same the number of rows of second matrix. So I am going to write A M by P. I am going to take the order of this matrix M by P, and to find the product we must have this one P cross N or P cross something. Means here the important thing is that their number of columns of first matrix must be same number of rows of second matrix. In that case only we can find AB. That let us define it in a general way. So let two matrices Aij, order of this I have taken M by P, and another matrix B, Bij, order of this matrix let P by N. Then AB is defined and take AB equals to Cij, and order of this matrix will be number of rows of first and number of rows of column of second matrix, that is M cross. Okay, the Cij element will be get by AI1 B1J plus AI2 B2J plus AI3 B3J and so on, plus AI, how many rows are there? Columns P, B, J. This we can write in the sigma notation AI K B K J, K from 1 to P. Okay, in this way. This let us go to understand it by the help of example. A equals to 2, 3, 4, 5. Order of this is 2 cross 2. And another matrix B whose 1, 2. Order of this is 2 cross 1. So here our condition is satisfied. What is the condition? Number of columns of first is same number of rows. So here we can get AB. Now AB will be get how? We will write 2, 3, 4, 5 first matrix, then we will write 1, 2. Now what to do? You take first row and make it column. Take first row and make it column. I am taking 2, 3 and put it in this way. 2, 3. Now the first you will take what? You will multiply 2 into 1 and 3 into 2 plus 3 into 2. If similarly there are other columns, you will take other columns and multiply and add them and put here. Now here only one column is there. Now after this you take second row 4, 5. Now multiply 4 into 1 plus 5 into 2. This will give you result. How much? 2, 6, 8 and this one 4, 14. Okay, now see what will be the order. From here its order must be 2 by 1. It is 2 by 1. This way we can multiply. Let us have another example to understand the multiplication of two matrices. So here the order of this matrix is 2 by 3. Order of this matrix is 3 by 2. You can see here the number of columns is the same number of rows, so AB is defined. And in the same way you can see if I take B first and then A second, the number of columns here is the same as the number of rows in this. So BA is also defined. Now we are going to find out AB and BA. Okay, for AB what to do? Write for AB first write A. First write A 2 minus 1 3 3 4 1 and then write B 8 1 minus 4 5 0 6 this. What? Okay, now multiply this. I will take first row as a column here. You write it for your convenience 2 minus 1 and 3. So I will multiply 2 to 8, 2 into 8 plus minus into minus plus 1 into 4, 3 into 0. Similarly, I will multiply the elements of first row to the columns and then we will add up. 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into 5, I can write plus 3 into 6. Similarly you take another row 3 4 1, 3 into 8 plus 4 into minus 4 plus 1 into 0, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 5 plus 1 into 6. Now we will write the product. 16 plus 4 20 and this one is 0. This one 2 minus 5 and plus 18 means 20 minus 15 and this one is 24 minus 16. This one 0, so 24 minus 16 is 8 and this one 4 3, 20, 23 and plus 6, 29. What is the order? 2 by 2. You see, from here it is order 2 by 2. Let us try to find out the BA. For BA, first write B. 8, 1, minus 4, 5, 0, 6, and then A. 2, minus 1, 3, 3, 4, 1. Here you see the order of this matrix is 3 by 2. Order of this matrix is 2 by 3. So number of columns, number of rows of the second matrix is same. So, and what will be the answer? BA will be, BA order is 3 by 3. Let us check. So BA equals to, I'm going to write, make first row column, put here 8, 1. So 8 into 2 plus 1 into 3. Similarly for this, multiply to these, 8 into minus 1 plus 1 into 4. Similarly 8 into 3 plus 1 into 1. Come to here, take minus 4 and 5, minus 4 into 2 plus 5 into 3, minus 4 into minus 1 plus 5 into 4, minus 4 into 3 plus 5 into 1. Similarly, now take 0 and 6, 0 into 2 plus 6 into 3, 0 into minus 1 plus 6 into 4, and 0 into 3 plus 6 into 1. You see, order of this is 3 cross 3. So after writing this, what will be the answer? You can write it. You see, the order of this one is 3 cross 3. And from the previous example and from this example, you can understand that the AB is not equals to BA. In case of AB, the order was 2 by 2, and in case of BA, it is 3 by 3. So both are not comparable. So in this case, they are not commutative. Okay.